Today's rugged product spotlight, our DMU multi-mount. This mount allows for easy and convenient mounting on any flat surface and in any of our mounts for our UTV specific mounting solutions. This mount is awesome for all different types of vehicles. Let me show you how this works. The Rugged Radio's multi-mount comes in one piece or two pieces with your UTV specific mounts. This is awesome because you can easily access the back of your radio intercom for service at any time. All it takes is 4 little screws and an Allen wrench. Easily access the back of your radio intercom for any service needs. All you do is slide the mount out, and there's your radio on top, your intercom on bottom. If you need to replace any intercom cables, any push-to-talk buttons, your programming port, your coax cable, anything. The multi-mount's awesome because you have easy access any time of the day. The multi-mount is super awesome because it can easily be put back in the vehicle in less than a minute's time. All it takes is this little Allen wrench and the 4 screws you took out originally. A great addition to the Rugged Radio's multi-mount is our Magnetic Radio and Intercom cover. This allows you to protect your investment. Put this cover directly on the multi-mount. It magnets on the 4 screws that we just screwed in, and man, this is great. So, our Rugged Radio's multi-mount is perfect for any UTV specific radio and intercom mount or any flat surface in any vehicle. Also, our Magnetic Radio Intercom cover allows you to protect your investment. We appreciate you guys tuning in. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, like us on Facebook, follow us on TikTok. We appreciate it, and we'll see you next time.